A new study predicts that rising sea levels will lead to an increase in 100-year floods, which could hit some coastal communities once every 8 to 15 years on average. The study is published in the journal Earth's Future. Severe coastal flooding might seem like a rare occurrence now, but according to a new study, it won't stay that way for long. Rising sea levels could see coastal communities hit by once-in-a-century level flooding on a yearly basis. What the heck are these people going to do if this turns out to be the case? A flood is something of a misnomer. They can affect the same area multiple times in a century, or even not at all. However, catch you in the next video. Subscribe.